Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the Indian Institute of Management Visakhapatnam. The calls for IIM Visakhapatnam are out. If we talk about the minimum eligibility criteria, then for general category it is 70 percentile for the VRC, DLR and quantitative ability section, and overall it is 82 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For EWS and NCOBC, it is 63 percentile for the VRC, DLR and quantitative ability section, and overall it is 72 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For SC category, it is 40 percentile for the VRC, DLR and quantitative ability section, and overall it is 50 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For ST and PWD category, it is 30 percentile for the VRC, DLR and quantitative ability section, and overall it is 40 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. So on this basis, you might have received the shortlist mail for stage 1 and you need to fill up the application form for stage 2 along with the statement of purpose. Now on the basis of the various parameters, you will receive the shortlist call for the PI round. Then if we consider the stage 2, then in that 50% weightage is given to your CAT score, 10% weightage is given to your 10 score, 10% weightage is given to your 12 score, then 10% weightage is given to your graduation score, 10% weightage is given to the diversity, and 10% weightage is given to the work experience. So if we consider the work experience, then if you have less than 12 months of work experience, then your marks will range from 0 to 5 marks. If your work experience ranges in between 12 to 36 months, then you will receive the 10 marks. If your work experience ranges in between 36 to 48 months, then your work experience mark will range in between 2.5 to 10 marks. And if your work experience is more than 48 months, then your work experience marks will be 2.5 marks. So this is about the stage 2. Then if we consider the stage 3, that is the final selection of the candidates. So in that the 48% weightage is given to your personal interview score, 25% weightage is given to your CAT score, 4% weightage is given to your 10 score, 4% weightage is given to your 12 score, 4% weightage is given to your graduation degree, then 5% weightage is given to the diversity factor, and 10% weightage is given to the work experience. And on this basis, the finally selected list of candidates is done. So as of now, on the basis of your eligibility, you might have received the shortlist call for stage 1. You need to fill up the application form. And if we considered about the important dates, then the application has started from 6th of January and it will end up on 29th of February. And you will receive the calls for PI round in between 18th of March to 22nd of March. And the personal interview will conduct in between 8th of April to 30th of April. Most probably it will held up in the online mode. And the admission offers will be over there near about 20th May 2024. If we consider the overall batch profile for IIM Visakhapatnam, then there are more than 190 students. Out of that, 30% candidates are the female candidates and 70% candidates are the male candidates. And if we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 68% candidates who are freshers, 9% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months, 8% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 24 months, 10% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 48 months, and 5% candidates have the work experience more than 48 months. And if we talk it in terms of academic background, then there are 39% candidates are with the academic background of engineering, 25% candidates are with the commerce background, 15% candidates are with the business administration background, 12% candidates are with the science background, 7% candidates are with the arts background, and 2% candidates are with the background other than this. If we talk about the placements for IIM Visakhapatnam, then the highest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 32.65 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 16.61 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 16 lakhs per annum. The average CTC of top 10% candidates, it is nearly up to 29.03 lakhs per annum. Then top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 23.63 lakhs per annum. And there are top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 20.24 lakhs per annum. And if we see the sector wise companies breakup for the last year placements, then there are 33% companies are with the IT and consulting sector, then 26% companies are with the BFSI, 16% companies are from the manufacturing, 4% companies are from the logistics, 3% companies are from the retail, then 3% are the FMCG, 3% companies are from the e-commerce, and 12% companies are from the other sector like healthcare or like that. And if we consider the role-wise breakup about the placements for IIM Visakhapatnam, then there are 25% candidates are with the product, strategy and consulting sector, 19% candidates are in the finance sector, 17% candidates are placed in the general management and leadership roles, 14% candidates are placed in the marketing role, 12% candidates are placed in the operations and supply chain management roles, 8% candidates are placed in terms of HR roles, and 5% candidates are placed in terms of analytics role. And if we discuss it about domain wise, then if we consider the strategy and consulting domain, then if we consider the top recruiters of IIM Visakhapatnam, then those are Adani Group, Cognizant, Deloitte India, Deloitte USA, then Digital Fifth, EY India, SCL Technology, Infosys, KPMG India, PwC and Edge Technologies. If we consider it in a banking and financial services domain, then the top recruiters are AU Small Finance Bank, then Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, Deloitte USA, Future General, HSBC, ICICI Bank, ICICI Lombard, and there are so many companies. So this is all about the IIM Visakhapatnam. The application process has already been started. The last date of application is 29th of February. So if you are eligible, if you have received the shortlist mail, you can apply before 29th of February. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can reach me out in the comments. Thank you for watching the video and wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey.